All right, good morning, folks. I am back at the mill this morning. It's nice and cool. Have to take a little break here. I've got a log loaded up over there. I'm fixing to load on the mill. I moved that this morning, literally by hand, lifting it up, budging it, moving it, budging it. But it's there. Now I got 2 more to do, but yeah, I'll show you what I'm up to here. So I've got that hooked up to the winch. It's set up backwards, so as far as I could take it is to the post of that winch. Got to put some wedges in there and take the winch off and then use the PV to get it into place. So yeah, this is my morning. Hope you guys are doing good. Thank God. I am hurting. That did kind of kill me, I hate to tell you. Oh well, slow and steady wins the race. That's a pretty cool little mushroom there.
Getting in line with this winch, so it's just sliding on the log. But then again, the log kind of jerks. I may have to cut that end off a little, remove it. Okay, feel a little more safe over here. Not more control of the log. Let me get it in position. And I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to cut it.
And I am sitting about 1410. So I think I'm gonna cut a little bit on that back side off so I don't have to slide it, because it is really hard to do when you're by yourself. And for folks that don't know, that's what the inside of the sawmill looks like. All right, so every morning you're supposed to do a maintenance routine, oiling the little stuff, cleaning your belts, blah, blah, blah. But anyways, getting the mill started, you just make sure the alignment's good, you tighten it up, and just make sure nothing is tracking off. And it looks really good. These logs that I'm milling are not the best. They are wind blown from my property, so I tried to salvage them. As you see here, I do see a little friend.
Alright, well. I barely made it. That's my saw maxed out. It's to the very end. And, yeah, it's trim it. Pretty cool. Alright, folks.
Like I said, this tree was wind blown. It's probably got a lot of bug infestation. I'm deciding to cut the live edge off to make it a little lighter so I can maneuver it onto the piers a little better. See how it works out. All right, there she is. 10-inch cant. Why they call them cant? Because you can't move them by hand. But of course they don't know me. Look at me, I'm all like, here's shower today. Oh, Elvis Presley. Yeah, man, I can't seem to work without hurting myself one way or another, but so to release them, let me do this. I have to pull that up, but there's still a lot of tension on there because you kind of hammer that in there. So you gotta, yeah. And you gotta do that every log, every turn. Just takes once for your hand to get in the way. Beautiful day for milling. I tell you what, it's not too hot, not too cold. And Dr. Pepper. Okay, next step. I've got to transfer the measurement on the thickness of that and deduct it off of these and get these cut. And then put that on those. And then I'll have 2 bunks, and then I'll just have one left to do. All right, guys. All right, peeps, I'm out here cutting bunks for my bunks, for my sawmill. Trying to get this apparatus up and running so I can start milling some more wood. I'm aching to get into this thing here. Curious what the wood's gonna look like. Hope y'all are having a good one. See ya. All right, peeps. The bunks are there. Now I just got to make ramps on the ends so I can get these logs up. And I got some fillers that will connect it to the mill itself, so you can take those on and off and be able to walk by the mill. So there it is. Yeah, it's about lunchtime. I'm tired, and I'm gonna go eat lunch. I hope y'all are having a good day. This is like huge balance beams, but I think they're gonna hold. I really do. Peace.